Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Calasar. Today, we're back working with a Red Hat type distro. In this case, we're using Alma, so it's similar to Red Hat. And we're logged in as Alave. We got a bowl game coming up against Utah. Hopefully, we win. So, with that in mind, let's go ahead and talk about what we're going to discuss today. So, today we're going to be talking about T, spelled Tee. This is a command that will take what's on the screen and put it into a text document or whatever kind of document you want, just so that you can have it for future reference. So, let's go ahead and go through a few examples of T. So, right now we're going to do ls space dash ltr so that we can view our directory. We want to take this directory and we want to put it in a text file because we want to be able to monitor any changes. So we go ahead and we type in ls space dash ltr. We're going to pipe it, type in t, and then ls.txt. You don't have to put txt. I do it on there because I use a lot of text documents. So we go ahead and hit return. It prints it on the screen, and better yet, let's vim it. There we go. Look at that. Yay! It's in our text document. So now we want to go ahead and put the date at the bottom there. So like, oh, how can we add the date on there? T has the solution. So we're going to go ahead and type in date because that's what we're going to put on there. Yeah, there's the date. Yay. And so let's go ahead and put date. We're going to pipe it. T. Now we're going to be putting dash A for amend or append or whatever it means. Either way, it means add to. So there you go. T dash add. And then we'll put ls.text, return. There's the date up there for us. Yay! So now let's clear it. As you can see, our document is still there. So let's go ahead and vim it again. ls.txt, and there we go. We have our date at the end. And then if we wanted to add another thing, we could go ahead and do that command, pipe it, t dash a for add to, and then the name of the document. So that's a quick video on how to use T. Hope you like this video, and please subscribe, go Bucks, and hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And we'll see if we can't put more videos out in 2022 than we did in 2021 because these are a lot of fun. So thanks, guys. Hey, and if you got any feedback, please feel free to reach out to me in the comment section. All right, thanks, guys. Bye.